Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to restore or reinstall an app from an archive on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So just open your settings app and then scroll down to apps and then tap on it and then go to the app that you want to restore or reinstall from an archive. So I recently archived the Drive app. You can see its icon. It's an archived app. So just open your app. You can see it's now opened and then tap on restore this button. Let me tap on it. Okay, you can see it's restoring or reinstalling the Drive app. Okay, so just wait for some time. Let me wait. And you can see guys, it's now restored. And you can see guys, its icon, it's now back to normal. And you can see the status is installed. And if I go back, you can see it's not an archived app. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.